Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, ungabe usahamba, please do not forget to like, subscribe and comment. And for those who are returning, thank you guys for coming back to my channel. We are celebrating my son's birthday. He is turning 3 tomorrow, so we just took him here. We are in Durban in Zimbali for him to celebrate. I-room tour sengenzile already before ngishintsha bengakenzi hey guys ngiqale nge-room tour, so ngizofaka le clip le, yeah, ngifaka clip leyo after le, ningamangali ukuthi why is my outfit different day. So yeah guys, otherwise this is my outfit of the day. Let me show you guys in the mirror. I-suits guys imese sempedeni ningayinaki ne-ayena. This is just a brown suit, and then yeah guys. So yeah guys, we are celebrating his birthday here at Zimbali. We are gonna head out now. I booked him a spa so that he can get a massage today, because we were driving here guys. We didn't fly here, we were driving, so I know he's very tired. He's very tired from the drive, so we are gonna take him to the spa for him to get a massage, and then we're just gonna go out, have supper, and then we'll come back. So just gonna show you guys our outfits for their outfits guys. And so this is Khanya's outfit for today. He has dressed the jersey, and then he's gonna put on his shoes in the car. Yeah guys, and then baby come, they are matching. I don't know why baby's brown is different from Khanya's, but yeah, they are wearing almost the same thing. They look very nice. Okay, so this is the door you're gonna come from, and then this is the kitchen. You have a washing machine, a sink, obviously, just kitchen facilities, man. There's the door, and then this side you have a bathroom. This is how the bathroom looks like. It has a shower. Then there's me. And then yeah guys, this is the bedroom. This is the bed. This is how it looks like guys. It is very nice, very clean, even better than the pictures, I'm telling you. And then this is their coffee table. I didn't like it when I was booking, but now that I'm here, I am liking it. And then here we have a TV. Okay, before I get to the balcony, I'm just gonna show you guys everything like this. See? Wow, this is really nice. Okay, now let's get to the balcony. This is our view. Okay, there's a key here. Let's open. Guys, this is the view. It looks very nice. We have 2 chairs. I don't know about the birthday boy. Hi Khanya. Hi. Where are you? Where are you? Yeah. You don't know? Yeah guys. So yeah guys, masambeni.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know.
Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy.
When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. can heal. Loving can mend your soul, and it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier.
Morning guys, morning friends. Today is the 17th of July. Khanya finally turns 3. He's still asleep right now. We just got him a few balloons. We want to sing for him and do his third birthday interview, and then we are gonna take a shower, and then we're gonna head for breakfast. Khanya loves balloons so much, guys, and we never buy balloons for him because he will cause chaos. He's just gonna jump. Even the one that his dad bought for him yesterday when he was at the spa, we let it fly away because like we were tired of it. Like he causes chaos, but now we just kept a few for him, just for him to be happy today. I think we're gonna let him keep these ones until we check out and head back to Mpumalanga. But otherwise, guys, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the setup, how we are waiting for him as he is sleeping. Yesterday I didn't close yesterday's vlog. Why? Oh, after the spa we went to Rokomama. So we thought we were gonna have a braai, but it was late. So we just went to Rokomama, so we ate, and then we came back, we drank, he played, and then we slept. Yeah guys, let me show you guys the setup here. My husband is just outside, he's checking the view, and then there's Khanya. There's Khanya. Ifoni yami seyicimile, so lilinde Khanya avuke. And ngesimbuse shem, we're gonna wait for him until he wakes up. So yeah guys. Khanya, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? Una one. Una 3. Yo. Happy birthday, Khanya. Put balloon na Khanya. Yay. Wow. Hakman. Give back. Give birthday boy. Kiss it. Jumpy. Khanya,
Mama,
how are you?
fine.
What is your name?
Khanya.
Good boy. What is your surname?
Quattro.
Good boy. How old are you?
I'm 3 years.
Yes, you are 3 years today. Close your mouth when you cough. Good boy, Khanya. What is mommy's name? What is daddy's name? Okay, Khanya. Who's your best friend?
Khanya.
Your best friend is Khanya.
Baby.
It's baby.
Baby.
Which baby?
Friend, baby.
Your friend is baby. Okay, that's nice, Khanya. What's your favorite color?
It's blue.
Yes, it's blue. Good boy, Khanya. Happy birthday, Khanya. Love you, Khanya.
Mama.
Hey guys, we are done bathing now, so we are gonna take Khanya for a play date. We'll have breakfast there, and we chose a restaurant that has a play area just to save time. So he's gonna have a play date there where we are gonna be having our breakfast. Asambeni guys, this is late. We've been taking pictures. Asambeni.
Remember that with every piece of you, and it's the only thing we take with us when we die. keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. 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 Oh, you can fit me inside the necklace you got when you were 16.
Hey guys, we are back from the play date. We went to the beach as well. Right now we just wanna go have his birthday dinner. Yeah, just some formal vibe. As you can see, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit of the day properly. Yeah,
Next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, well that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. When I'm away.
good morning guys. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are well. We are not well. It is time for us to check out. We are done showering. We have our bags packed. We are leaving now guys, but otherwise thank you guys for staying with us up to this far. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and comment. We will see you on our next video. Bye.
I will remember how you kissed.